Hello physics lovers. Focal length is an important and basic topic in ray optics chapter. Physics class 12. This is for JEE and NEET examinations. So very important concept. I am giving you the derivation for focal length here. If we observe this, these are the two diagrams showing that concave mirror and convex mirror, how the focus is appeared. What exactly the focal length is? It is the distance between the focus F and the pole P of the mirror. It is denoted by small f. So it is the distance between focus point and pole. Derivation of focal length. First of all, understand the diagram. In the diagram, C is the center of the curvature, F is the focus point and P is the pole, and the ray is incident on the concave mirror at point M, which is perpendicular to the point D on the principal axis. If we observe this, the C is the center of the curvature and angle MCP, this triangle MCP is making a small theta, that tan theta equals to theta, because for small theta, tan theta will become theta. For triangle MFP, that is equals to 2 theta. For small theta, tan theta equals to 2 theta. The above are true for paraxial rays. Paraxial rays means the incident rays are near to the pole on the mirror. So those are the paraxial rays. Here we are taking paraxial rays. That's why the above triangle MCP, triangle MFP are true. If we see the triangle MCP, tan theta equals to MD by CD. So MD is vertical and CD is horizontal. So MD by CD. We know that sin theta by cos theta, right? So opposite by hypotenuse. With that, MD by CD equals to tan theta. If we see the small triangle, for that, tan 2 theta equals to MD by FD. MD is opposite side and FD is adjacent side. So with this information, if we move forward, MD by FD, that MD by FD, this is small triangle, is equals to 2 into MD by CD. So from this we can take FD equals to MD by MD cancelled and CD by 2 is remained. So but what is FD? FD is small f and CD is capital R, that is radius of curvature. By substituting these two values in FD equals to CD by 2, we'll get the final derivation as F equals to capital R by 2. Means focal length is the half of the radius of the curvature. So this is the derivation for F equals to R by 2, that is focal length. So do like, share and subscribe this video. Those who are preparing for JEE and NEET examination, this is very important.